Hey there, I'd like to share my review on this sports replacement net. And so even though this is for like your ball diamond, where you're practicing your hitting and maybe catching and things like that, I'm actually going to use it as a cover for my chicken coop. So I liked how wide the netting was and that it's pretty durable, so we can take it down in the winter months so it doesn't collect snow. But otherwise it's got a nice reinforced edge so that we can use it to tie around it, and it also comes with some zip ties that are in that plastic bag there. So we'll show you what this looks like up, but otherwise I'm excited as it's a nice inexpensive option to keep my chickens in their pen. So it may be kind of hard to see, but we were able to stretch it out and tie it in several different points to the supporting structure at the top. And so now we have this nice net at which hopefully will keep the birds of prey out and keep our chickens in.